GIGABYTE AERO series creator laptops feature one of the most color-accurate displays in the world. Look at the screen. You can hardly tell the difference between the two. This is all thanks to the AERO laptops having less than 1 Delta E OLED display. You may ask, what is Delta E? And how do AERO laptops deliver such true-to-life color accuracy? Let us find out. If you're a photographer or a graphic designer, you may have run into a situation where the colors displayed on your screen do not exactly match what you print. One possible reason could be that your display is not color accurate. Screen technology, production variables, and many other factors can all affect how color accurate a display can be. The Delta E provides valuable insights into how color accurate a display is. The larger the Delta E, the less precise the colors are. On the contrary, the smaller the Delta E, the better the display's color accuracy. A regular monitor has the Delta E, which falls in the range of 3 to 5. Some color mismatch may be noticed here and there, but it doesn't affect regular uses. But for creative purposes, Delta E becomes significantly essential. Imagine if the colors were not accurately presented. How would you be able to show your work clearly to your audience? With the AERO laptops having the Delta E as low as less than 1, the color accuracy is simply out of this world. To ensure true color production on the display, we use the premium Samsung AMOLED 4K panel, which is highly color accurate as is on the AERO. GIGABYTE further teamed up with X-Rite, the world-renowned authority on color, and factory calibrated each AERO laptop with tailor-made instruments by X-Rite to ensure that the Delta E value can drop down to as low as 1 on average, which makes the AERO the most color-accurate laptops on the market. But not only that, the AERO laptops are also Pantone validated, which means they fully comply with the color standards that have been set by the Pantone matching system widely used around the world for graphic design. With this certification, you can be safe knowing that the colors you see when you're designing a new logo, creating a brochure for print, etc. are accurate, and that the end product meets the world's standards. If you're looking for a professional creator laptop with a perfectly color-accurate display right out of the box, the GIGABYTE AERO series laptops are your ideal choice to bring your vision to life. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.